Massive greetings in the name of the Most High. This is Daddy Reddss for Daddy Reddss Promotions, and this is Talking News. In this episode, we're going to discuss Bounty Killer calling for support for the reopening of the entertainment industry or a provision of a relief package. And Gussie Clarke clapped back at Sasha regarding her allegations of white-collar crime when she was referring to their publishing deal in 1995. You know what to do. Like, subscribe, share, show that you care. This is Daddy Reddss, and this is Talking News. Bounty Killer is calling for support for the reopening of the entertainment industry or a provision of a relief package. The warlord Bounty Killer has thrown his support behind the Dream Entertainment Managing Director Scott Dunn's call for the government to either reopen the entertainment industry or give some type of money, so all of the entertainers can have some type of relief. In an open letter to the government, which was published on this past Sunday, Dunn said that 10 months, the industry has suffered at the hands of the government who left them sitting on the bench. On Sunday, Bounty Killer also posted a few excerpts from the letter on his Instagram page and urged dancehall fans to read it, indicating that Dunn's statements had his endorsement. We want protocols. We want guidelines. Dream Entertainment, LMD, tackles the government over prolonged closure of the entertainment industry. That was posted on Bounty Killer's Gun Godzilla Instagram account, and he put over the top of it, breaking news. Sprague Benz also supported saying that the people have to stop taking the lies and laying down like rocks. Dunn said he had to go to Miami. Basically, he said he had to escape to Miami to stage his last event, and that was his only opportunity to earn. But that caused a little backlash with some of the followers on the Gun Godzilla Instagram page. Some said this is a rich man just crying and being greedy, because where was he at when all the other entertainers and all of the street entertainers, etc., were just getting, shut down all the time, laptops taken, etc., etc. They said he don't have to worry about the food to eat. That's totally different, so stop being greedy. Well, it remains to be seen if the government is going to do something in the form of a relief package, and we will keep you posted. Gussie Clarke claps back at Sasha's allegations over a publishing deal that they had. She was saying that it was basically a white-collar crime. About a week ago, on the live of a one Mr. Vegas, Sasha, the reggae dancehall singer turned gospel artist now, she had a conversation with Mr. Vegas. Matter of fact, take a listen to this first.
Yes. What I can recall. Yes.
It has nothing to do with Kill Bitch. So what I'm saying is,
no,
it is essential for you to check if they collected publishing when Nicki Minaj sampled.
Right.
Because if they collected publishing on that during that time, it was basically some form of illegal or wrongful act. So you have to look into that and make sure you can claim back that piece of money and say, yo, I understand how we get us if you still get.
And you know what? Let me tell you what happened. Let me tell you the truth of the matter. This is true. It's something we did so long. Change my life, change the style of music, everything. It's like me just say, you know what? Just let it be. I wasn't really trying to run down this and run down that. But guess what? I think about this when I'm Mr. Vegas. I mean, I say, I might work regardless of what anybody wants to think or free or whatever. I need to put the pen to the paper. It does. You understand what that one? Yeah, it don't. Yeah, it's my work. You understand what I'm saying to you? And it is my work. I deserve to be compensated, regardless of what.
It's like you're an artist with do art. And you
put
it to that piece, right? That is your piece.
Yeah.
No matter where you, if you want to be a Christian or if you want to be a Buddhist or whatever, that piece is your piece.
Right.
When somebody comes and decide that they want to own the piece or they want to create peace, mimic and create a piece like it. It's still your work.
Still my work.
Because
yeah,
music,
regardless
music
of
is
whatever.
an art. Music is an art.
Yeah.
You understand me I say?
Yeah. So
with that said, sister, without we giving away too much, me just want to bring you on so other people can really understand where really are going in the industry. I know artists face it, but at the end of the day, there are ways that we can get around it. We just have to file a class action lawsuit.
But you know what, too? Let me tell you something, too. Just the closing argument here. The reason why a lot of artists might refrain, like, just think about it. You already fighting to get a little percentage where you're still at all and pan. And then you have to take out money out of that now. To go pay a lawyer now, to go fight these giants. So through them know that, you know, that's why they continue them foolishness over the years,
well, you know. What,
but let me tell you, I forgot to tell you this. 1 minute, sorry, I forgot to tell you this. Because there was a point where I had to actually get a lawyer to deal with a matter, and I'm not going to elaborate on it because me and the person came to an agreement, you understand me, and certain things, you know, materialized, and that's that. So there's no quarrel with me and the person or no whatever. But I'm just saying, it is so sad. Money we have to spend for the pay a lawyer, you know, to get, it's really sad. You understand me? It's really, really sad. And I'm saying for all of the artists out there, you see me, you know, we not have to censor certain things, because guess what? Me not looking at this lifetime or next lifetime to ever work with the company them that I've already worked with already. I care zero. You understand? I'm not protecting them, because some of these artists, them still are living a la la land, you know. Them still have hope. Them still want to work with these people when them say are wicked or evil and them do certain things, and them still want to sign up and still want. You know that, right? So that them scared. They're not like me and you. We're going to come out and just talk, or we have to talk. We're not here. We're not hungry. You understand what I say? But it's just sad. It's sad. It really is. It's sad. But I care zero right now.
What's Sexy Body and Reggae Gold?
You know it's gonna be on there. Don't ask me. I don't know that. I don't know what occurred, but yeah, it was on it. I probably was on the Reggae Gold, Reggae Diamond, Reggae Bronze, Reggae anything that could have come out. It must be on it, of course.
So
yeah, but
you end up with so much money, but your song is on Reggae Gold and all the other compilations. And this is something.
You hear what I said?
This is something when I want to highlight something.
It's crazy. It's crazy. It's crazy. It's crazy.
Let me show you how terrible these record labels are and how selfish they are. Basically, in dealing with artists. Yeah. There's a thing where a lot of artists don't understand when it comes down to these record labels, especially VP records. Yeah.
Oh man.
No. When you have a song like Sexy Body or like a Headzai or like a TOK, find a big song, or you know the artists that were signed to VP, you are trying to sell units. You're trying to move numbers. You're trying to show us that you can move numbers. The reason why people look at dancehall artists and they be like, yo, we don't move, we don't sell, and we have a history of selling records where we can get record deals from majors, is because the same reason that I just asked you about. Whenever you have a song like a Sexy Body, instead of they use the song to propel you and your album, right? So when somebody wants to get this song, they're gonna get it on a Sasha album. So that means they're gonna come to the album to get the record. Then this album will sell, more units. But instead, they want to sell on their album. Maybe Strictly the Best, maybe another compilation, and sometimes the producer for the record, the producer may license the same song to Greensleeve for the European territory and the UK territory, and VP for the US territory and Canada. So there you go with one hit record. Yeah, one hit record is shared up in different territories. So you're selling maybe 50,000 on a VP compilation, or Reggae Gold used to sell a whole lot, you know, like Reggae Gold used to sell
like crazy. Are the biggest. Listen, that's their biggest project.
Right.
The most money maker.
Reggae Gold used to move numbers in all them days then.
Numbers.
Mm-hmm. So when you already have
and I was on them.
by the time you put out an album, nobody know what your album again, you know, sister. Unless them genuinely like you as an artist.
Exactly.
But them already buy Reggae Gold, and Reggae Gold is at a better advantage than you. We have come out with your album because guess what? Reggae Gold has all the hit songs for that year.
Every single hit song, every song that was a hit, it was on. Yeah.
Over. So if a man have one money, I want a reggae compilation. He's not gonna buy a Sasha or a Vegas over getting a Reggae Gold.
I'm gonna get all the hits from the Reggae Gold or the shit with the best.
The hit song we want from Vegas is on Reggae Gold. Plus, if you can get the hit song from Cape Town, the hit song
from everybody else. Yeah, from everybody else.
So we over the years, people on the outside say, oh, we don't sell and we don't move the numbers and we don't get signed to majors. These are the reasons. Terrible. These are the reasons we don't move the numbers because one hit song is shared up, you know, in so many slices to different people. Jetstar might have it. Sometimes, you know, Jetstar and Green Steve, they are England and the two of them have yourself. That was the case with Hands Up and Nike here. You see what I say? My album has come out and Jetstar basically put out an album with me and Jetstar have no contract with me to release an album.
Bad.
You see what I'm saying? And to this day, I think the reason why I get so much fight from VP, you know, till one of the time them blacklist me and Clinton.
I got blacklisted too.
Clinton Sparks, I think, the brother from down Hartford. You see, me know me get blacklisted, you know, because I don't know if that come from. I did do some work with Tony Kelly, right? I was doing some work with Tony Kelly, and I did a studio every day. I work with Tony, and all of a sudden, Green Steve called me, say, "Yo, what's up, man? You releasing the album? It's an album?" And I'm like, "What are you talking about? We're going to book for Scott, no carbon." So I checked out. VP have an album, a Mr. Vegas album, ready for release, and already shipped.
Really now?
Already shipped 200,000 copies.
No, sir. Oh my. Wow.
And it's like
wow.
I get a liar and them have to destroy everything. And I think that destroy the relationship and them basically. At the basically them have wheel and come again, but me say no man are the wrong person this and me are not the right person. Maybe if I had allowed them to exploit me and release the album, maybe that blow up more in the US, but at the end of the day, principle are principle. You understand?
Absolutely, principle is
you know,
principle.
The paperwork with me and you release an album. Come on, when the paperwork, when I advance them, when the contract, you can't release.
Yeah, yeah.
You have a picture on the album.
Where's the advance?
That's like
my God, that's terrible.
Image, everything. You see?
And you're not the only artist. A lot of other artists have the same testimony.
Well, I can tell you 99% of the Jamaican artists would have allowed that project to go through. But Mr.
Absolutely.
Principal from day one, Mr. Principal
yes.
say, yo, no. That can't work. That can't work. Me and you don't have any agreement. Oh, you have to put out an album with me. And me don't know nothing about it. Wait for the contract then. With the advance. And I saw there was bent on getting somebody for host me, you know. That's why you see. When them drop the Sean Paul, they blocked me from the Sean Paul project.
Whoa.
That was the case, you know, because when Sean Paul shoot Hot Girl Today video and him see me and tell me say he must shoot the video, he must link me, you know, because I'm there in New York, you know, to come at the video shoot, you know. But then, you know, when I reach out to him, so I realize say the phone, like, you know, when somebody cut off the phone and the phone got voicemail after. So a years I realized that they give my ultimatum, VP they give my ultimatum, say, you know, if I show up on the set, I'm going to drop in project. So
wow, that's so sad, because you know, not good news.
I take advantage. So I said, but I could understand why they would want to get somebody to replace me, because come on, I make a company burn up over 200,000 records.
So you're the enemy.
That is what you are.
The enemy.
That is what you are when you educate yourself and you start.
Yeah, you're trumping at the Democrats' eyes.
Or the other way around. But at the end of the day, sister, it's a pleasure talking to you, and hopefully it works out. But at the end of the day, we need a class action lawsuit. I said publicly so other artists are going to the same thing can come together. And them can link
Yeah,
them.
man, them could just come out and talk up and work, make a band together.
Them
You
can
understand me?
link
And
them,
form
but
a
them can link them to
union.
get it done, you know, because
Yeah, absolutely.
we have social media can drive fear into the people and we exploit. To make them know so we're serious.
And listen, just for the record, I just want to big up the US companies that stand by their word. Let me tell you something. If them say January the 5th, 9 o'clock, you get a check here, you could put on your pot. You know, it is a must. Them now go around it, them now go underneath it. You understand? So I thank God for that. You know, and
no, you
you
can't
know.
swear you look ask up on your sound exchange.
Listen, look here, listen to me. That you know, so I'm relax. You know, so me not run down nothing because I'm good. You understand? But I would have been greater if I had gotten what I was supposed to get.
You know what? Like the other day, Nicki Minaj sample Heads Eye Rhythm or whatever. So Nicki Minaj up on her iTunes page and she said the Megatron song was influenced by Mr. Vegas and Spragga Benz.
Good.
So if the artists were singing the song and they say them song has influenced her, them artists have influenced Megatron. That means that she talk about Heads Eye and hyper for you and she already yet that she talk about.
Listen, let me just go out with it. Yeah, go ahead.
There and then, me just put in my claim.
Well, listen to me. I'm sitting here feeling good right now. Cause like I said, you had the Zara last year.
My check them a come heavy.
All right, listen. I'm here telling the same story. Sexy Body, J-Lo do it with Pitbull. Sexy Body, Zara last, big pop artists do it. Jeremiah, Gabriel, and me good. You understand me? But like I said, if you have something for me, I want my team. You understand me? I want what belongs to me. You understand? You can't be in a champion and want me be in a syrup.
When them tell you say you owe so much money, basically because they don't want your money. You understand me? I said. So at the other day, me have to get mad pan them because them a claim say somebody is a collect some songs we fall under for them umbrella. So me say, so why you stop sending me my money because somebody is a collect some songs what me do for some producer? Me say no much song me do for producer. Back in the days I record 5-10 songs a week. So you might record a song for a producer and you call it up and you call it something different. So if somebody is
that has
nothing to do with me and they want my money for a year until
now nothing to do with me, yeah.
Yeah. And it ends up costing me. So I know them game, but I'm willing to play it with them. Big up yourself, sister.
Well, me just a laugh off of them, you know. Me just a laugh off of them. God is good and make me thank God.
Where new project?
Well, me just put out my EP, Bumpy Ride. It's available on Amazon Music and iTunes, you know, right across the board, any kind of music.
Bumpy Ride is a reggae.
Yeah, man. Now the EP is called Bumpy Ride, and one of the singles are Bumpy Ride. And I'm dropping my album in another 2 months or so. And so they're going to get to the copy, go listen to Sasha go out. But now let go to reggae, you know, because reggae is a part of our culture. So we just put positive energy. Yes.
You don't have to explain nothing more.
All right.
Big up yourself. Stay beautiful.
Big up. One love. Thanks for having me. Big up and bless up. Yeah.
Okay, now that I got you up to speed on that, Gussie Clarke clapped back and he just basically done away with all of the allegations that Sasha made in that video. And he said he wanted to explain the contract that, let me see, it was made in 1995. He said she signed a publishing agreement, which is a songwriter's agreement. Basically, at that point in time, 50% goes to the writer, 50% goes to the publisher. He said since then she has received 20 odd statements and collected over 4.5 million Jamaican dollars, that is. He said he has check numbers and everything. All right, he said even though it says that they got 50%, there was like administrative fees and legal costs. So he said he never really got the 50%, but you know, he said she got everything. That's all he got to say. He said everything. He said, like, look, they got to pay everything that's agreed to her, even when the terms of the 1995 contract expired. He said everything is legally bound. and everything. He said basically she wasted 2 years on a lawyer only to be paid the same money that was promised after receiving all the paperwork that he had submitted. He said it can be ordered at any time, but he said he never really liked what she said and how she came out. Basically, he said she should have came to him, but well, it's two sides to every story, but some people say it's three sides. One side, two sides, and the truth. When you put them together, you get the truth. What's in the dark will always come out in the light. And don't forget to like, subscribe, share, leave a comment, show that you care. Any suggestions on how we can make the thing better? I am Daddy Reddss. I'm the reggae ambassador, and I will always cause a musical massacre. Dread out for now. This is Talking